and provide maximum comfort. The Even Flow Pivot Modular Travel System is also easy to use and transport. The stroller can be folded with one hand and has a compact fold for easy storage and transport. The car seat is also lightweight and easy to install, making it perfect for parents who are always on the go. Overall, the Even Flow Pivot Modular Travel System is an excellent choice for parents who want a versatile and safe stroller car seat combo for their little ones. Its advanced safety features, comfortable design, and easy-to-use features make it a top pick for the best stroller car seat combos of 2023. Number 4. Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System. The Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System with onboard 35LT infant car seat in Monument is an excellent choice for parents who want a safe and comfortable travel system for their baby. The stroller features a lightweight design and a maneuverable frame, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. The car seat is suitable for infants from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32 inches tall. The Smooth Ride stroller has a multi-position reclining seat and an adjustable 5-point harness to keep your little one comfortable and secure. The stroller's large storage basket is perfect for carrying all your baby essentials. Additionally, the parent tray has 2 cup holders and a covered storage compartment, while the child tray has a cup holder and a snack tray. One of the best features of the Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System is its safety features. The car seat has side impact protection and a 5-point harness with center front adjust. The car seat base also features an adjustable stay-in-car base and latch equipped. Overall, the Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System with onboard 35LT infant car seat is an excellent choice for parents who want a safe and comfortable travel system for their baby. It's versatile, safe, and convenient, making it a must-have for any family on the go. Don't wait, add it to your baby gear collection today. Number 3. Chico Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System. The Chico Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System is a fantastic stroller car seat combo that is perfect for parents who are always on the move. This set includes the Bravo Quick Fold stroller, the KeyFit 30 infant car seat, and a base. One of the standout features of the Chico Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System is its versatility. The stroller can be used in 3 different modes, as a car seat carrier, a travel system, and a toddler stroller. This makes it an excellent investment that can be used for years as your child grows. The KeyFit 30 infant car seat is designed with safety in mind, featuring a 5-point harness and side impact protection. The car seat is also incredibly easy to install and remove from the stroller with just one click. The Bravo Quick Fold stroller is designed with convenience in mind. It can be easily folded with just one hand and has a large storage basket to store all your baby's essentials. The stroller also features a multi-position reclining seat, an adjustable canopy, and a parent's tray with cup holders. Overall, the Chico Bravo 3-in-1 Trio Travel System is an excellent choice for parents who want a versatile and safe stroller car seat combo for their little ones. Its advanced safety features, comfortable design, and ease of use make it a top pick for the best stroller car seat combos of 2023. Number 2. Baby Trend Expedition Jogger Travel System. If you're an active parent who loves to stay on the move, you need a stroller that can keep up with you. The Baby Trend Expedition Jogger Travel System in Millennium White is the perfect solution. This travel system includes a jogging stroller and an infant car seat. The stroller features large bicycle tires and a front swivel wheel that can be locked for jogging or unlocked for low-speed strolling. The car seat is designed for infants from 5 to 30 pounds and up to 30 inches tall. One of the best features of the Baby Trend Expedition Jogger Travel System is its versatility. The stroller has a multi-position reclining seat and an adjustable 5-point harness to keep your little one comfortable and secure. The car seat also has a 5-point harness and is designed for easy installation. The stroller also includes a parent tray with 2 cup holders and a covered storage compartment, as well as a child tray with 2 cup holders. The stroller's large storage basket is perfect for carrying all your baby essentials. Overall, the Baby Trend Expedition Jogger Travel System is a great choice for active parents who want a stroller that can keep up with their lifestyle. It's versatile, safe, and convenient, making it a must-have for any family on the go. Don't wait, add it to your baby gear collection today. Number 1. Duna Infant Car Seat and Latch Base. Looking for a car seat that seamlessly transitions to a stroller? Look no further than the Duna Infant Car Seat and Latch Base. This rear-facing car seat is perfect for busy parents who are always on the go. The Duna Infant Car Seat is designed to make your life easier. With just one click, you can turn this car seat into a stroller in seconds. No more struggling with bulky strollers and awkward car seat attachments. The Duna Infant Car Seat does it all in one easy-to-use package. This car seat is designed with safety in mind. It features a 5-point harness and side impact protection to keep your little one secure and comfortable. The latch base is easy to install and features an adjustable support leg for added stability. The Duna Infant Car Seat is also incredibly convenient. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. The car seat also has a removable and washable fabric cover, making it easy to keep